Welcome to Meditation and Beyond. I hope you're having a lovely day. Do subscribe to our channel so you can be notified the moment a new video comes up. Today we talk about our breath. Our breath is our life. Life continues only till breathing continues. Through breathing, we receive oxygen and prana energy. Oxygen helps in purification of blood, whereas prana energy is used by the nervous system. As correct breathing purifies our body, we can say right meditation cleans our mind. Pranayam breathing exercise brings in more air, more oxygen, and more prana energy into our body. Thus, it purifies more quantity of blood and supplies more energy to the body. The posture for practice of pranayam is very simple. You can either sit on the floor in crossed legs or you can sit on the chair. While practicing any breathing exercise, you must see that the stomach is empty. Pranayam breathing exercise has 3 parts: inhalation, retention of breath, and exhalation. With the view to get maximum supply of oxygen during the inhalation and exhalation, the throat is to be comfortably slightly widened. By this method, more oxygen gets into the lungs. There should be no strain. Technique for widening the throat. The root of the nose of bone, hence we cannot widen our nose. As against, the throat is made of muscles. It is possible to widen the throat. To experience widening of throat, please carry out the following experiment. Place the palm of your hand slightly on your throat. Do not press very hard. Now inhale and exhale through the mouth. While breathing like this, through your open mouth, you will be able to feel against your palm movement of throat muscles. Now we have to achieve this condition of widened throat while breathing through the nose. Keep your lips closed. If possible, purse your lips in a shape of a circle. There should be no gap. Relax your jaw so that the upper and the lower teeth are slightly apart. Now imagine that you are breathing in and out through your mouth, like sucking in the air and blowing it out through a straw. While doing this action of sucking and blowing, since your lips are closed, the inhalation and exhalation will be through the nose. But due to widened throat, you will feel as if you are drinking air. The inhalation and exhalation in pranayam is determined by the retention capacity of the breath. Generally, the accepted average for this is about 16 seconds. So, the inhalation should be completed within 1/4 time of the retention and the exhalation within half time of the retention. The proportion of inhalation, retention and exhalation will therefore be 1:4:2. As the prana energy has to be drawn in separately in its positive and negative aspects, we have to close one nostril while inhaling or exhaling through the other. Practice of pranayam. Choose a convenient place for your practice. Pranayam can be done sitting or standing. Keep the spinal column comfortably straight. Do not strain. You should face east or north. Close your eyes. Exhale fully to empty your lungs. Close the right nostril with the right thumb and inhale inhale steadily through the left nostril in 4 seconds to fill the lungs with air and oxygen. After complete inhalation, close the left nostril with the right ring finger and retain breath for 16 seconds without any strain. At the end of 16 seconds of retention of breath, lift the right thumb to release the right nostril and exhale fully in 8 seconds. Keeping the right nostril still open, inhale fully within 4 seconds. Close the right nostril and retain breath for 16 seconds. Then lift the right ring finger to release the left nostril and exhale fully within 8 seconds. This process of inhalation through left, retention, and exhalation through right, and again inhalation through right, retention, and exhalation through left constitutes one pranayam. If possible, practice pranayam 4 times during the day, twice in the morning, twice at noon before taking food, twice in the evening, and twice at night. After regular practice, you will be able to feel the currents of prana energy in your body, and you will also be able to direct these currents to any part of the body. Thank you so much for spending your time with me today. You are so worth slowing down.